Dude, sick Honda, bro.
Well, it's a fucking Acura, first of all.
Guys, I bought a hoopty. Let me turn that radio down. What the hell? What's going on here? Good song, but copyright. Alright. Guys, seriously, this is not a 2-valve. What the hell is wrong with me? I only buy 2 valves, guys. There seems to be a theme with all my videos. I keep buying all these Fords and bringing them back home, so why not just go to the junkyard and check out a bunch of other Fords? Let's get back to the video. Trying to get this e-brake out. This would be perfect for my car. Don't have one of these, so I'm gonna get this out. Got the parking brake. The floor pans are rusted through on the front. Other than that, the floor pans are fine all around. Underneath actually is pretty good. That's gonna be pretty easy to fix. I'll do that myself. So yeah guys, this is a new project. Check this out. Actually, this car is pretty nice, but there's some things that are done to it that are just ridiculous. Like this Hoosier ghetto line lock thing. Looks like shit. That's gonna come out. I have a bunch of things ordered for this car and a bunch of things coming, and a lot of things I already have actually. These are 4-lug from factory, so I'm actually doing a 5-lug conversion, so I already have that stuff. Got the rear axles already with the SN95 flanges on it, SN95 rear brake conversion for disc because they are drums in the rear, and the front I actually bought SN95 spindles. Went to the junkyard, picked that up. Also went to the junkyard, picked up a e-brake handle because there's no freaking e-brake handle. I guess that's why they put that line lock in, which goes to the rear brakes. Line lock is supposed to go to the front. Anyways, that's besides the point. Today I'm actually going to spray the engine with engine degreaser, see where it is leaking oil. I am pretty sure it's from the valve cover gaskets. I actually ordered new valve cover gaskets already anyway, so those will be replaced. But just to make sure that's the only spot it is leaking from. Trying to fix things here and there before I start actually doing big modifications to this car, because this car I have big plans for. The 2 valves is going to be basically the street car, a quick, fast street car. This is going to be more of a drag car. There's drop top, so I think it'd be kind of funny to have a drop top. Just hurt feelings. It's just goofy looking, first of all, to have a drop top, big old tires and stuff. So I think it'd be cool. It's my first convertible. Never really cared for them, but here we are. I own a convertible now. Probably shouldn't have sprayed it on the belt like that. Oh well. Guys, I'm not too worried if I ruin anything doing this. A lot of shit, everything's getting replaced pretty much on this car. I'm gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna show you guys some of the parts I already got from the junkyard. Let's run. Corvette frame. Alright, so this is what I got, guys. Here are the SN95 spindles. These are actually from a 98. I know a lot of you Fox Body guys get 94 and 95s. These apparently pushed it out about ½ an inch opposed to the 94 and 95s. But I'll just compensate with different back spacing on the front wheels. These should work. If they don't, honestly, I'll clean them up and sell them online. They should sell. Here's the brake calipers also from the front of a 98 SM95. And yeah. And on the inside I have a package I just got today from eBay, and that's the rear brakes as well. Yeah guys, 5-lug conversion on that Fox Body. There's a lot. I'm like doing stuff right away, right now. I'm doing a lot. I ordered a lot of stuff already. I've actually spent a lot of money on parts. I want to get that thing going because I want to actually start modifying the car instead of getting it to a good point. But that'll be all fun. Restoration is fun to me. I can't wait, guys. Anyways, I gotta go get that pressure washer. Good old Honda, guys. Got that VTEC action over here. Alright, I guess now we start it up so we can let it dry off now that it's pressure washed. Really comfortable interior, guys. Wow. Alright, hopefully it starts. Oh, like a charm. Goddamn. Still need to seam seal it and go underneath, seam seal. And then I need to go through and I need to paint everything. And paint all the interior, kind of get rid of all the surface rust. That's just surface rust, no big deal. Then that'll be good. Interior will be good. I'm not putting the stock seats back in. Well, I might put the stock passenger seat in for a little bit. Or I'll think about it. This is actually new. I broke this, so I duct taped that shit. Anyways, I know it looks like a lot, and I know it's a lot, but it's actually gonna be really cool when I'm done. When I bought the 2-valve originally, and I don't really have many pictures of it, but when I bought the 2-valve originally, it wasn't in the best shape. It definitely wasn't in this bad of condition, but it wasn't in the best shape. But now look at it, like, it's stupid clean. It's awesome, really nice. This car's gonna be stupid clean. This is gonna be really cool. I mean, there's a few things I want to do differently, obviously, than what I did with the 2-valve. I want to take a different route with this car, and I'm not gonna be too particular with things. And like, if I break something, then I break something. It's a learning experience. While if I on the 2-valve, it is the same thing, but at the same time, I'm just a little more careful with that car. I don't know. I'm too particular with it. So with this one, if I screw something, I screw something up. Whatever. It's not the end of the world. I really won't care. And parts are generally cheap on these. And yeah, I mean, there's just a lot of things done. So if you guys have anything you guys want to see done, let me know, because odds are I'll be filming it, because I need to do almost everything. Cool thing is the top works. The top actually works. I'm not gonna put it down right now just because it looks like it might rain, but top actually works. It is in decent shape. The windows all work. These didn't work when I got it. They didn't roll down, but I fixed the motors. It's just like little like plastic circles in the window motor, and I replaced those. Top, I fixed because the top didn't work when I first got it, but it was like, what was it? Yeah, the hydraulic lines were all cut. I don't know why. I guess somebody might have replaced this top and just ended up cutting everything. There's a lot of things on this that are really Hoosier, so that's all got to get fixed. Yeah, 1990 freaking 5.0, guys. I own a Fox Body now. This is part of the channel. I hope you guys don't care. I mean, I know the channel is mostly 2-valve content, and when I did have, because I used to, for new people or people who don't know this, I used to have another Mustang as a daily before I have a truck now. I used to have a 2014 Coyote, and that doesn't get many views whenever I post videos about that. So hopefully this car does get a little more views. Either way, I'm still gonna post about it just because it is just content I can do. And it is obviously it's gonna take up a lot of time. Like the 2.5 has things that can be done and still are gonna be done. Like I still do plan on doing built bottom end and pulling down and doing a few more things here and there. No doubt. The car's not done, it never probably will be. But I mean, I can pretty much always be doing stuff to this until it's done. And it will never be done because this is gonna be the drag car. It's gonna be like the really fast, I don't know, just stupid, ignorant drop top car, that's why I kind of got the drop top, because I think it'd be really funny. And I'm gonna keep the luggage rack because it just looks freaking goofy. I mean, it'll just be funny, just completely dragging people in a freaking drop top. Like that's a chick's car, a freaking GT of all things too, So I don't know. I mean, these are heavier. These are the heaviest of the Fox bodies, but they're still not that freaking heavy. Yeah, so it is what it is. Hood's pretty heavy on this. I'm gonna get a carbon fiber, or not carbon. I'm gonna get a fiberglass hood. It's probably just a cowl hood. I like my cowl hoods, obviously. Have the cowl hood on the 2-valve. Interior, I'm gonna run my Kirky seats, cause that's what I got. I got a Kirky, a 16-inch wide. So I'm gonna run that. And then ACs, I'm just gonna delete it. It works actually. So if anybody's local in the St. Louis area and is looking for like a full working AC unit, let me know. Before I rip it all out, I will show you that it works. You can come by, check it out. I'll show you that it works, and then I'll pull it and you can buy it from there. So that's all gonna get pulled. And I'm probably gonna stick with the 302 for a while. Actually, it's probably just gonna be a 302 its whole life, unless I have a change of heart. 351 would be pretty cool, but I don't know. I mean, I know the 302s are notorious for splitting right down the middle. The blocks are, but that's another thing. Like all the money I'm gonna put towards whatever motor. I mean, if I do split the block, which I think they can hold like upper 500 horsepower range, then if it does split, oh well. I could either just go get another one. They're pretty freaking cheap. It's just a freaking 302, or I'll just buy a dart block, and then we'll just throw a, I don't know, maybe one of like a 347 stroker. Let's make a 347 stroker build, turbo. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, there's a lot of options. There's a lot of options you can do with this. There's just so many options. Obviously, I'll be getting a standalone ECU. Man, it's getting windy, so you guys probably can't hear me. I'm gonna go in the garage, just in case. And we could talk in front of the 2-valve. Yeah, basically, there's a lot of options you could do with those Fox bodies. And no, I won't be 2-valve swapping a Fox body. I have actually considered it in the past, but I won't be doing that. I will be sticking with the old school push rod style engine. And yeah, here's this. Nothing else has really changed other than I put a little breather filter there. It just looks cleaner. I got, I capped this off right here. It just looks a little cleaner. That's pretty much what's going on with me. I got a few things I need to do to this, and I got a lot of things I need to do to that Fox body. Okay, let me know what you guys think. Obviously, there's gonna be 2-valve content. This is my baby. Like, at the end of the day, if I had to sell a vehicle, Fox body would be the first one to go. That would go before this had to go. If financially if I had to sell something. This is here to stay forever, so don't worry, guys. There's gonna be plenty of stuff happening to this because this car is awesome. Like, this car's actually driving really freaking good so far, and it's not even the tune's not even 100%. There's still some things I need to do. I still want to pulley down a little bit. I mean, other than that, this needs basically just built motor. It really does. It needs a built motor. That's what this needs. Built motor. It needs head work because the heads are stock. It just has those cams. Bone stock intake manifold. I'll be definitely doing head work. I don't know if I would get trick flows or just do head work to these stock heads, because apparently these actually do flow really well. The PI heads flow really well. I don't know, guys. There's a lot of things to do. But with that being said, I'm going to be continuing working on that Fox body. There's going to be a lot of stuff happening. There's going to be paint stuff happening. And this car has been painted, but I never had footage of that because I painted this a long time ago with my dad when we were in high school. So basically, I'll go through the process with that Fox body with you guys. And yeah, hopefully, I just really hope you guys do want to see Fox body content. If not, sorry. There'll still be 2 vlog content, but I'm gonna do what I want to do, and that is a car I really like and I really love, and I've always wanted a Fox Body. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for just tuning in and always, you know, posting comments. You guys are so cool. Leaving out, you know, always leaving likes, always subscribing. I feel like I got a pretty decent subscriber base, and you guys are pretty cool and loyal. You guys even hit me up on my Instagram and ask me questions, which I generally always respond to, and I think that's really cool. So if you guys got any questions, you guys can actually follow me on Instagram. It's Lousers_Brendan Instagram. So thanks guys for watching. Peace out and keep on keeping on.